Wow, this is like 2 weeks into my YouTube monetization. Woo! Guys, thank you so much once again for being a part of this amazing journey. In this video, I want to reveal to you how much YouTube actually paid me for my live streams. So I'm going to reveal all the live streams earnings in today's video, and in my next video I'm going to reveal how much YouTube paid me for last month. Oh my god. So the question now is it worth it? Is live stream worth it? Yes, live stream worth it. Guys, can I shock you? On my live stream, I got a gift. Let me show you the gift. My live stream actually gifted me this amazing fan. Wow. So if you've watched, yes, I got it here on my live stream. So at this point, I want you to wait. Go to the comment section and type there, thank you to the giver. Just type thank you to the giver. Wherever it is, it's going to read that comment and you'll be very happy. And thank you so much for being a part of this journey. I really appreciate this. This is my first YouTube money. This is yeah, after monetization, this is my first YouTube live money. So guys, I'm super excited. So if you don't know how to make friends during your live stream, start now. You need to learn how to make friends. Yes, learn how to make friends so that people can gift you. You don't have to do the naughty things to be gifted. Okay, you can still be nice and still get some gift from your friends and your subscribers. Guys, without talking too much, are you ready to see how much YouTube paid me for my live streams? So I'm going to be highlighting the major live streams that I that okay, the major live streams that happen immediately after my monetization, because that is where it will start counting. And of course, we all know that after monetization, the real journey starts. A lot of people feel like after monetization, it's time to rest. It's very dangerous for you to rest after monetization, because if you rest after monetization, your views will start going down, your watch hours will decrease, and the moment you are not able to keep up to the 4,000 watch hours and keep increasing it, YouTube may likely demonetize you. So most times you see account demonetization, not because they committed one offense, but because of inactivity, like because of inactive, because the account had been inactive for a while, and there's reduction in the watch hours and views. All right, so after monetization, you need your first $10. So how did I get my first $10? Woo! And how many days did it take me to get my first $10? I monetized, like for example, the first day I got monetized, right, and my dollar sign reflected. The moment my dollar sign reflected, I got my first $10 that day. Somebody shout, loved. Somebody shout, loved. Somebody shout, loved. So I am loved by you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The super chat was so much. It was the best gift I've ever received. It was little, but I appreciated it with the whole of my heart. So learn how to be friendly on your live stream. So guys, this is the most long awaited time. So guys, let's go and see how much YouTube paid me. All right. So I head over to my YouTube channel, my YouTube studio. Hi guys, so let's see what the live stream. So it's always important, if you're having live stream after monetization, let it be valuable. I feel like people usually visit your live stream, so your titles, your thumbnails should communicate something. So I didn't know that this live stream here, right, I've been able to generate this kind of estimated revenue. Guys, follow me through. Guys, I was surprised. And then let's look at it. This is the let's see the views we have here. Like the all the views we have is in the browse features, channel pages, and notification. Let's see the views. The views we have here, it's 130 views, only 130 views. Now, let's see how much this 130 views actually generated. Boom, 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 boom. Wow. What page ads? Wow. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. And if it look at it with 0.51 cents. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? So revenue per 1 kb is $3. Wow, that is amazing. So I have live ad revenue, which is $0.1. This is replay. This is beautiful. How much advertisers pay? This is pay 1 kb CPM. This is what they paid. Oh my goodness. So this let's look at the earning by ad type. We have skippable video ads, these we have bumper ads, we have display ads, we have not skippable ads, right? So this is the recent one. This one is just the one I did recently, and I was so surprised. I didn't even know that this kind of money who is available. Okay, so let me show you the other ones. Okay, so let's see this one. Wow, this one is 3 cents. 3 cents estimated revenue. 3 cents. All right, so let's go. Let's go. This 3 cents. So it means people are coming back to watch my live stream. Wow, this is amazing. This is 9 cents. Wow, this is 9 cents. Okay, let's see this YouTube struggles. 1 cent. Ah, okay. Let's see watch hours. 2 cents. Okay, okay. So let's go. Let's go. This 1 cent. Okay. I didn't even know this money is available in my live stream. 54 cents. Guys, this is amazing. Wow. Wow. This is sweet. 54 cents for live stream. Okay. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Okay. Let's see this one. Two. Yeah. 2 cents. Let's see this one 5 cents. So apparently all my live streams carry cents inside, like yeah, all cents. There's one I want to shock you, so let me show you something. See this one that have over how many 200 and something 212k views for 44-minute video. Let's see how much. 37 cents. Wow, this is the live stream, the last live stream I did when I got monetized. This is how much it generated. Wow. I mean, people came back to watch it. That is fantastic. Then this one, 2.5k views. Woo! 3.89. Wow. This is amazing. So let's see where it's coming from. Let's see where it is coming from. This is fantastic. Okay, let's see where it is coming from. Super chat. Wow. Wash page. So super chat gave me this. Wow. Wow. Okay, so let's go. Um, okay, ask me anything. This one is $7K. This is how I got $7K. Let's see how it's coming from. Let's see where it's coming from. Hey, let's see where it's coming from. One subscriber, that is after the live stream, I came back to watch it. Wow, this is fantastic. So let's see how the super chat is $7 and the watch paid at is 2 cents. So that gives me that actually resulted 7.32 cents. $7 $0.32. That is so fantastic. Guys, so do you think it's worth it? Okay, so do you think live stream is worth it? So if I'm to open all of this live stream, you realize that there are money inside the live stream. Okay, these are my silent live streams that is still producing money, right? So this is the recent one still producing money. That's so fantastic. So guys, you tell. Okay, see. So thank you so much, guys. If you watched to this time, I'm really grateful. So the question now is, do you now see that whatever that you're doing here on YouTube, as long as the moment you get monetized, it's becoming interesting and fun. All right. So enjoy what you're doing. Don't allow anyone to discourage you. It is worth it. You want to know how much my videos are earning, even as low views as they are, I will shock you how much those videos are earning. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.